In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make daily tasks on Todoist, a powerful tool that helps you organize your tasks and manage your time effectively. To start, open your preferred web browser and in the search bar, enter Todoist. From the search results, click on the official Todoist website. Once the page loads, look for the login button, which is typically found at the top corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. You will then be presented with several login options. For greater convenience, you can choose to continue with Google, which is what I'll demonstrate today. Select your Google account to seamlessly sign in, leveraging Google's authentication for a quicker login process. Once you're logged in, you will land on the Todoist homepage. Here, locate the Add Task quick shortcut, often found on the side of the homepage. This is the gateway to adding your first task. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter details about your task. Type in the name of your task and include any necessary details about the due date and time. This step is crucial because it ensures that you receive timely reminders. After you've entered your task information, click Add Task to save it. The task will now appear in your list and you can continue adding additional tasks by repeating the same process. If you have a task that needs to be completed daily, Todoist has a nifty feature for that. Start by clicking on Add Task. Enter your task details and this time, pay special attention to the timing. Specify the time when this recurring task should occur each day. Once you've added the time, click Save. Now comes the magic part, setting the task to repeat daily. Simply click on the Repeat option and then select Every Day from the drop-down menu. Finally, click on Add Task to finish setting up your daily recurring task. This feature is particularly useful for routines that require zero planning once set, like daily reading, exercise, or taking medications. It's a straightforward process and highly effective for maintaining consistency in your daily life. Remember, if at any point you need to adjust the timing or repetition of a task, Todoist makes it easy to edit these details whenever necessary. With these steps, you can now effectively use Todoist to manage not just daily tasks but plan ahead with recurring tasks, enhancing both your productivity and peace of mind. That's all for today's tutorial on making daily tasks in Todoist. Thanks for watching and happy planning.